Third stall woodworking gets its name because I'm in the third stall of my garage. And this is working out pretty well for me. I've really maximized all of the vertical and horizontal space that I possibly can in here, but that causes some issues on storage on the other side. I've got 2 cars, bikes, coolers, all of this type of stuff, a canoe mounted to the ceiling. I've got bikes mounted up on the wall there and a couple random items here. My truck parks here with the hood standing about this high. That means I've got a little extra space where I can squeeze some more storage in, and that's what I'm gonna do. Now, this isn't gonna be a showroom quality project. So what I did is dug out a bunch of scrap 3/4 inch and 1/2 inch plywood that I've had laying around, took those into SketchUp and designed a cabinet that will fit that area perfectly, and then a layout diagram to maximize the use of those scraps. I've got a continuous hinge and some various hardware to try to make that door swing up and stay open, and then some shelf pins so I can adjust each shelf to fit the contents that end up in it. We'll see how it goes. With all the frame parts cut out, I need to drill these shelf pin holes. I've got this Craig shelf pin jig. I love this thing, works really well. I've got a spacer board on the bottom lined up with the bottom edge of this, some tape to mark my up. When I go to assemble this, I know where the top and bottom is. The way this works is I'm just gonna line it up on the edge and start drilling holes. The cabinet frame is now built, and I put a face frame on it to eventually accept the lifting door. I don't think I'm going to get to that today, but the next thing I'm going to do is create a French cleat. I'm a big fan of French cleats. If you don't know what they are, you mount a 45-degree piece on the wall, and then you mount the opposite 45-degree on your cabinet, and you can easily hang your cabinet on the wall, and everything is nice and level. So I've got my blade set to 45 degrees, and I'm going to start cutting those. Well, I didn't get a chance to finish up the door today, but I'm pretty happy with this progress so far. I got a lot of this stuff that's been scattered around the garage out of the way and stored, and I got to use up some scrap plywood.